Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Studio. Today, we are going to practice English together. This is a shadowing lesson. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak clearly. Take your time. Let's begin. I have started my day early. I have prepared my breakfast. I have checked my phone. I have read some messages. I have planned my day. I have made a to-do list. I have already finished 2 tasks. I have just started working. I have been very busy today. I have studied English this morning. I have learned new vocabulary. I have practiced speaking. I have listened to English audio. I have repeated many sentences. I have improved my pronunciation. I have made some mistakes. I have corrected those mistakes. I have learned from them. I have met a friend today. I have talked about my goals. I have shared my ideas. I have listened carefully. I have asked good questions. I have understood more. I have watched an English video. I have understood most of it. I have learned useful expressions. I have written them down. I have practiced them again. I have tried to speak more confidently. I have not been afraid of mistakes. I have focused on improving. I have stayed motivated. Have you studied English today? Have you practiced speaking? Have you learned something new? Have you tried to improve? Have you listened to English? Have you repeated sentences? I have not finished my work yet. I have not completed all my tasks. I have not taken a break yet, but I will continue. I will keep going. I have already made progress. I have already improved. I have already learned a lot, and I will learn more. I have never given up. I have always tried my best. I have always practiced. I have always believed in myself. Now, speak about your day. Say your own sentences. Use I have. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. I have worked hard today. I have practiced English. I have improved my skills. I have done my best. Very good. Keep practicing every day. You are getting better. You are improving step by step. Stay consistent. Stay motivated. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson.